Hey guys, got a package today from my friend Brian King. He has a YouTube channel. Title of it is Akron Ohio Machine. I don't really want to show his address. I don't know if he wants me to show his address. But the machine shop name is Tru Tec Machine in Akron, Ohio. Let's see how he did. Now, I've seen pictures of it, so I have a good idea. He made me some nice threaded rods, beautiful. It's packed very well. You can tell he's my kind of guy. Sheesh. I wish I had that talent to make things look pretty like that. Unbelievable. I can barely wrap a Christmas present. Yeah. Spacer by Tru Tec Machine. Mission Impossible. I actually have chills. Thing is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now he talked to me about, let's see if we can get some of this in the camera here. He talked to me about the finish. I said, Brian, why don't we leave those grooves in there? We can always change it later, but I have a feeling machined grooves like that, especially if we use an alcohol-based fuel, that's going to be fantastic. Now, if you take a look at his YouTube channel, he actually shows the machine making this. Oh, this is beautiful. Sorry, guys. I'm doing the best I can. It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I can see it got one little ding in shipping, but can't win them all. Okay, he took my idea, my crummy drawings, and made this piece of artwork out of it. And he made us something else too. Wow. Put a little light on this. He made us a little 2-inch spacer too. Now this is a little bit different design. If you notice, they're not completely round. This doesn't have a venturi to it. The other one has venturi to it. His machine does gorgeous work. Gorgeous. He made these out of a chunk of aluminum stock. He has the ability to cut it with a big bandsaw and finish it all with the CNC. I love it. Absolutely love it. He also, he did all the programming too, which I'm sure is not 5 minutes of work. I can't tell you, Brian, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you making these for the project. Absolutely beautiful. I just want to make sure people can see. You know what? There we go. So the venturi is going to be actually smaller than the butterflies. Will that help? I don't know. One thing I know about venturis, though, is they have a little bit of magic to them. Uh, and like we've talked about before, you know, Venturis can be more than 100% efficient if they're done right. So I'm very interested to see how this goes. Awesome. I think I'm going to make this just a short little quickie on the spacers, and I'm going to do a little playing on them tonight, and I'll let you guys know this weekend how we did. What do you think? Now I have to put them back in the box so they don't get banged up. I want them to stay absolutely pretty. Check out his YouTube. His YouTube is Akron Ohio Machine. I don't know whether he has a website for his Tru Tec company. But Brian, you do awesome work. Thank you so much. I mean, I don't know if anyone in the world would want some spacers built like this, but Brian already did all the work on the CNC programming, so if you want something like that, give him a call. Worst case scenario, he says no. But he's a super nice guy. I've been on the phone quite a bit with him. Sometimes YouTube is really good. You meet really nice people. It's worth it. It really is worth it. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great night.